Oh, there's a sound they understand. God, Jay. I'm going to feed the table. Yeah. I haven't seen Gemma get into eggs this much.
No. It's frightening.
Yeah. Their feathers are looking pretty good, you know.
Yeah, they're looking really well.
Yeah.
Thought they were starting into a molt there for a while, but
And they haven't had a bath for a bit.
no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh dear, so much for that.